Okay, so that was just a bit of a pause.
So my fix with this one, and it only has 6 wheels. So parking it for a little bit. I'll skip these.
Okay, I'll just film it.
Wheels right here.
There's not really 6 wheels, it's actually 8. How did you know?
I took off the 8 wheels.
No, 2. You took off 2 wheels.
No, 1.
Oh. But that's 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8.
There's a little seat with a time bomb in it because I chose to do that.
Yeah, this time bomb thing. Hey, are you ever gonna review the flyer?
Well, I only review it once. I just said that. And my next one. Yeah.
I'm gonna get this. What the? Don't be surprised if this thing flaps into your screen. Ah, man,
do you know why I took a right seat?
Yeah, why?
Because I wanted it to match the steering wheel.
So there it is.
And I put in the driver. And then I put in the roof.
There's another look at that.
So,
Look close.
bye.
Bye.